In this video, I'll be showing you how to make zip file in Windows laptop or PC. It's a full guide, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this, and you can literally do it with any file you have on whatever you're using, whether it's a PC, laptop, anything like that. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and use a file on my desktop as an example. So we'll just go ahead and use something like this, like Minecraft mods or, host or Windows ISO. We'll just use this one right here, Windows ISO. All you want to do is right click on your file. Now you can download WinRAR if you want to, or you can go to show more options. Download 7-zip if you want to as well. It's really up to you, whichever one you want to go ahead and use. I normally use WinRAR. So right click, go to WinRAR, and then you're going to see a lot of different things. And if you want to zip something, you're going to see add to windows.rar. And if you're on 7-zip, it's literally the exact same thing. Go to 7-zip, and then you're going to see add to. So we're just going to do WinRAR, go to that, add to Windows RAR, and that's it. It's going to be creating the zip file, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.